Have you heard about the 100-day cough? And trust me, it's terrifying. One tiny bacterium can turn your cough into a months-long nightmare. Pertussis, or whooping cough, starts when Bordetella pertussis bacteria enter your airways through droplets from an infected person. Once inside, they attach to the lining of your respiratory tract and release toxins. It paralyzes your airways, triggering endless coughing. With your cilia disabled, mucus builds up, triggering violent, repetitive coughing fits. The intense cough can cause the whoop sound as you gasp for air, and the persistent irritation can last for weeks, even after the bacteria are gone, because your airway lining needs time to heal. Protect yourself. Seriously,